Hi, this is Dan Thompson here at MarineMax Danvers. I'm currently sitting on Sailfish's 290 center console. This particular boat we brought in really well equipped with a pair of twin 300 horsepower Yamaha. Has the entertainment package as well as all your fishing packages, which gives you underwater lights, live wells, ski pylon, extra rod holders, everything you need to be on the water. This boat has a small little sealed storage area, a little wet bar, and additional storage here at the helm. We equipped it with Garmin electronics. You have your Yamaha controls, VHF, fusion radio, and every other little bit of electronics that you need. This boat, now has the optional color under the hardtop to help match the deep blue exterior hull. Gives it a real nice look. Sailfish does a really nice job with their on top of their helm storage, which is sealed, so it's great for wallet, cell phone, and stuff you just don't want to get wet. And a small electronics box, kind of finishes off the hardtop. This boat also has the optional rigid plexiglass enclosure, which gives you great visibility and a little bit more protection from the elements. One thing Sailfish does incredibly well is they give you a really deep boat, so you really feel like you're in these boats, especially when you're running way offshore. It gives you a lot of comfort and security. They also do this nice little seat back system. When you don't want any way, just lift up, turns. Ample seating here, a nice large Yeti cooler, more in-floor storage, and again, low profile anchor windlass up front. Completes the nice finished bow area. As you move around to your port side, you'll have your access to your head compartment. Again, finished off nicely with the nice storage for the bow table, electric head, plenty of storage, nice grab rail, battery switches, and access to your electronics are all laid out nicely for everything that you need. So, that boat finishes the 290. If you have additional questions, you can always reach me on my cell phone at 978-375-1584. And again, my name is Dan Thompson, and I look forward to hearing from you. Have a great day.